Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on this gorgeous, can't say it enough, gorgeous wig from Bestlacewigs. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and direct links down below in the description box. You guys, this wig literally had me at hello. As soon as I took this wig out of the package, I was so shocked by how natural this hairline looked. Very pleasantly surprised with this one. So the wig that was sent to me is in the style HD03. This wig is 20 inches, 150% density. This is a skin melted HD lace wig with a new clean hairline. This is a 13x6 cap construction, and I can say that Bestlacewigs did live up to their name with this one. This lace, this wig, everything is completely unmatched. Because all of the work is literally done for us and we don't have to do any further customizing to the frontal, the only thing left for me to do is to tint the lace. To tint the lace, it's always optional. Some people use wig caps underneath their wigs. I choose not to wear any wig caps under my wig, so I have to custom color it so that it can look like a scalp and not cornrows when you're looking at my hair. So I do use two different colors of lace tint. The first color is the color of my scalp, which I'll be spraying on the inner portion of the frontal, and the next color is the color of my foundation, which I'll be spraying on the outer edge or hairline of the lace frontal. Then I'll be blow drying in between each layer. I'll be doing 2 layers of each color of lace tint. Next, it is now time to style the wig. Using Silk Therapy from BioSilk, I'm going to apply that to the hair and then in small sections begin to flat iron. So now that the hair is perfectly straight and ready to go, I'm just going to grab a rat tail comb. This is a precision comb, and because this is a lace frontal wig, there are tracks there. I want to make sure that I am getting ample amount of parting space, but covering the tracks as well. So I'm just going to do a clean part and then use a hair wax stick to smooth those hairs downwards. And to help me do that, I'll also be grabbing a pressing comb. So now that we have created those 2 parts and our center section, I'm just going to grab some hairs and I'm going to smooth those hairs forward. That is going to be our baby hairs, but I'm going to focus on that a little bit later. Grabbing the middle section, I'm just going to carefully section off where I want my rubber band cornrows to be. So I'm going to take my time, part the hair, and then use that hair wax stick and my pressing comb to make sure that I have the smoothest sections. Once I prep the section, I'm just going to use a rubber band to section it off. The purpose of this is to prep the hair, of course, before styling, but also so that I can make sure that my parts are straight and where I want them to be, and also so that I can make sure I have the amount or number of those cornrows that I need. So now that we've sectioned off our rows, it is now time to grab my comb and then start creating squares within those rows. So the first row, I'll be parting to create 1 square, then grabbing a rubber band and rubber banding that square or section. I'm just going to part the next square or section and then grab the ends of that first section and basically add that into or feed it into that rubber band. I can always show you guys better than I can explain, so please keep watching. So now that we are finished, it's now time to grab our baby hairs and pin those out of the way, because it's now time to grab a pair of zigzag scissors and cut off this extra lace. Following the natural curvature of this lace frontal, I'm just going to carefully cut along the hairline. The moment you've all been waiting for, it is now time to install the wig. The first thing that I'm going to do is prep my skin. To do that, I'll be grabbing alcohol and cleaning off my forehead. Next, I'll be grabbing scalp protector and applying that to my scalp. Grabbing the wig, I'm just going to spray Wonder Lace Bond on the outer portion of the under part of the lace and then blow dry for a few seconds until it is tacky. Grabbing the wig, I'm just going to place it on my head in its proper placement and put my headscarf on for about 20 minutes to allow it to set. I don't know about you, but this wig is already looking flawless and the lace isn't even melted yet. So hands down, this is one of my favorite wigs from Bestlacewigs. Off camera, I did do some baby hairs, and here is how the hairline is looking. Of course, I'm blown away. It's flawless. This wig is flawless. I have nothing negative to say about it. I am just completely a believer that Bestlacewigs has the best lace wigs. So I'm just going to grab those cornrows, and then I'm just going to put the hair in a ponytail. Grabbing a couple of loose hairs from that ponytail, I'm just going to wrap it around the base of the ponytail just to give it some elevation and style, of course, and to hide that rubber band. I also did spray some 𝐃𝐿 on the bottom portion of the ponytail to help have the hair stick down to the base of the ponytail. And here's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and direct links to the wig worn in this video from Bestlacewigs down below in the description box. Let's chat all about this wig down below. And if you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below as well. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. Leave an emoji in the comment section and check to see if you do have your subscribe button on for my channel, as well as the post notification bell turned on. Make sure that is turned on now if you have not already done so. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Beige, Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's Beige, Ojai.